In this guide, we're going over how you can build the evil organization HQ habitat here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's 3 items that you're going to need to go ahead and collect in order to do this, and they're all in different locations. So you got to keep that in mind. It is going to be a little bit of a process, but essentially the first item that you need to go ahead and get is going to be the luxury sofa, and you can actually get this from Bleak Beach. So go ahead and make your way over to Bleak Beach, and then of course enter the ship, and you'll find a bunch of different like luxury sofas in there. You just need to grab one. From here, head over to Rocky Ridge, go to the museum, and you'll find potted plants in there. Go ahead and grab one of those, and you can either use normal or twisted versions. Just grab a few of them. After you do that, get the painting, and this is in Withered Wasteland. Just essentially go to the building near the beach, and underneath the building near the beach in Withered Wasteland, you can go ahead and find the Team Rocket painting. That is the key item for this. Once you have all of these, all you got to do is place everything down. You put the Team Market painting in the back where this like tree is, for example, right? And then the luxury sofa in front, and then 2 potted plants on each side of the sofa, and that is it. That is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.